Good afternoon, and thank you, Justin, for your June the 6th, 2024 market update. As you've indicated here early in the morning, that the market is 11 basis points worse than yesterday. So what I want to do is take a look at that and see how does that affect the monthly mortgage payment and the interest rate on a conventional 3% down and a special United Wholesale Mortgage loan product, which is a 0% down, meaning the borrower borrows 97% and United Wholesale Mortgage loans the 3%, which would normally be required from the borrower. And that is called a silent second, meaning there's no payment on it. And it doesn't have to be paid back until you sell or refinance. So in looking at today's situation, this was as of this afternoon, and what we are seeing is that when we compare yesterday to today, and this is at 4:42 Eastern time, which would be 2:42 Mountain Time here in Colorado Springs, you can see that the interest rate would be 6.416 for a 30-year fixed mortgage, and that makes the monthly payment for principal and interest $3,038.79. If we scroll down and take a look at the 0% down product, that makes the interest rate actually 6.750, and the monthly payment for principal and interest $3,145.70. Now, of course, the question is, how does that compare with yesterday's interest rates? So if we take a look at that, you can see that yesterday the rates were for the 3% down 6.388% with a monthly payment of $3,029.89, which was $15.12 lower than the day before. Today that rate has changed to 6.416%. That makes the monthly payment for principal and interest $3,038.79. And what that means to a borrower is that their monthly payment would be $8.90 a month more than it was yesterday. So a little worse than yesterday. As far as the 0% down, you can see that on June the 5th, the 0% down interest was 6.497, and that was a monthly payment of principal and interest of $3,064.57, which was a big drop from the day before, which was $42. Well, today with that increase in basis points, the zero down rate has risen from 6.497 to 6.755, with a monthly mortgage payment of principal and interest of $3,145.70. Now that's an increase over yesterday of $81.13. And if we compare that to our June the 4th, you can see it's not quite as drastic as an $81 jump, because we had a $42 drop on June the 5th. But that gives you a good idea of the volatility of the market and how it can change. And the point that we really want to be driving home here is that if you are shopping for a loan, you have to be very careful about how you rely upon numbers that you're given, because they can change hourly and typically do change hourly. And the other thing is that this payment does not include the mortgage insurance. And UWM has Mortgage Elite Insurance, which is some of the lowest mortgage insurance in the American market. This monthly payment also does not include real estate taxes and homeowners insurance. Those, of course, would be specific to the actual property and would be something that you would want to verify before you proceeded toward making an offer. So that's a wrap on today's effects of the mortgage fluctuation that happened here on June the 7th. We'll look forward to talking to you and seeing what June the 7th, next, tomorrow, Friday, what that will bring. So if you are interested in getting a specific mortgage quote, if you would like to have me do the same thing I've done here, please just give me a call. My name again is Lynn Chase. I'm a licensed mortgage loan originator here in Colorado. We can plug in the parameters in this pricing engine so that we put in what kind of a loan you want, put in the amount of the loan. Here you saw we're talking every day about the same loan and the same loan type, so we have a good idea of the fluctuation. But we can plug in the amount of the sale price you're interested in, what that 3% down would cost you, and from that we can arrive at what's the best option or options for you. So if you want to have me give you a mortgage quote, my number is 719-360-6015. You can also email me at Lynn, Lynn, at ageinplaceMortgageCompany.com. Thank you very much, and I look forward to reporting tomorrow's progress.